You know, how many times have you been drinking coffee and you just missed your mouth a little, or you had one of those little shakes and dribbles? To me, it happens all the time because I drink a lot of coffee. So today I'm going to show you some ways that you can get coffee out. And you know what? Whatever you have at home of these things, you can use. You don't have to go out and buy anything special. So let me show you first. The first and the easiest thing is usually everybody has white vinegar, and it has to be white vinegar. What you're going to do is take about a half and half solution of water and white vinegar and put it into any kind of container that you can pour in. Then we're going to just lightly put it on, and you know, we're just going to put that on, work it in a little bit to the stain, and always we want to let everything soak. We always are going to work smarter, not harder. So to do that, we let everything soak so that it can do its job. Now, what else can you do? Shave cream. Shave cream is lanolin and surfactants. It's soap. It's a great way to remove stains in an emergency. Give it a quick squirt, just like that. Work it in. Let it sit a little while. And when you're done, wash it. Make sure that the stain is out. Now, other things you can use. If you have Dove bar soap, that works great. It's the moisturizer in it, that oil that releases that stain. And if you have milk in your coffee, that works particularly well. And all you're going to do is wet the bar soap. Now, moving on. If you have toothpaste, and it has to be white, non-gel, squirt that on, work it in with a toothbrush, let it sit a few minutes, launder as usual. Last but not least, mild abrasion is good for coffee stains. So you put a little water in a bowl, you add a little bit of baking soda, so that you're kind of making just a little paste that you can easily put onto it. And then I just kind of stir it together. And then we wouldn't have our cream on there. We would just put that on. And then what I want you to do is take your spoon or whatever and work that in and really rub it in. Let that soak again. With coffee, letting the cleaner soak is the most important thing. So what I always do is I let them soak and I go have another cup of coffee. Join me. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.